Today we're making avocado pretzel tacos. Oh, yeah, you forgot.
What did she forget, Landon?
This. I don't need to do that. What is that?
Landon?
The beginning.
Can you scooch out a little bit?
The beginning, Juliana.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
Hi, welcome to Making with Bunny. Today we're making avocado pretzel tacos.
Avocado pretzel tacos, and we saw these at Publix.
So we're making them.
Yes.
We're cooking.
It is a
game-worthy appetizers.
right here.
What? I know. 1 plum tomato, finely chopped. A 1/3 cup of banana pepper rings, finely chopped. 8 ounces container prepared.
Guacamole, good job.
24 thin pretzel
Crisps.
crust.
If some people have a missing enzyme on their tongue, cilantro tastes like soap. So we're gonna leave the cilantro out. Okay? So first, we have to, what does it say? Step 1, what do we need to do?
Chop tomato and peppers.
Chop the tomato and the peppers.
Can I chop them?
No,
Oh.
you cannot.
I do not want that to spread at me. It said, chop it finely chopped.
You know what we should have done?
What?
We should have just bought guacamole that has all of the things in it already.
Guacamole or
Guacamole. Guacamole.
guac with a G?
Yeah, with a G. What do you think that is? A cube?
Guacamole, like guacamole.
Guacamole.
Finely chopped.
Am I doing it right? I think like it's best if you have like a machine.
That's like chop, 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 chop.
Yeah.
I'll throw this in the garbage.
Thanks. Look. There we go. You just gotta keep your little fingers away so they don't get chopped in this. I have to do the same thing to the peppers, huh?
Oh yeah.
When are we gonna do the pretzel, Mommy?
Last. This is a big size. Place 1 tablespoon guacamole into 12 pretzels.
Okay, so let's lay out 12. Oh, that one's broken. Here, Landon, you want a pretzel?
What does it taste like?
It tastes yummy.
Tastes like a pretzel.
Real pretzels?
It doesn't help if they're all broken. So you just get a little bit on the spoon.
Abuse you a little bit.
And then you put it, be very careful to put it right
In the middle?
in the middle of the pretzel. And then
I do it.
And then I'll
Guacamole.
drop some tomato. And then I'll drop some peppers. There we
When I'm
go.
done, can I use a spoon?
Sure. And then we find another pretzel that's not broken.
Yeah.
Snack Factory. And then we close it
Oh.
like this.
I'm going to do the guacamole.
And there you have an avocado pretzel taco.
Make more, make more.
Gosh, Snack Factory. There are so many broken pretzels in here.
It doesn't matter if they're broken.
Yeah, it does. Because you're supposed to put them together and make them like tacos. Honey, when you eat that and then you put the spoon in there and put it on a pretzel, you're getting your germs in everybody's food.
We're not going to use a spoon.
You're using the spoon now.
I know. Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I didn't do this before.
Oh, okay.
This is guacamole.
We could do more than 12 if we're able to find more than 12 pretzels that are not.
Broken. I'm gonna put this in the sink.
No. What?
Oh, we only need one more.
I know, but these are all broken.
Let me try to find one. You can't find one, and there's sure one's right in front of your face. Can I see?
Yeah, try to find one.
Juliana, can I see Juliana?
Why did she give us some broken pretzels?
Home Alone picture.
Jeez.
My Home Alone picture.
For this recipe, visit Mommy's blog, ChristinaAllday.com. Bye.
Bye.